How to use TikTok Smart Plus new control features. Let's get started. First of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up any browser in your phone or computer. In the search bar, you can go ahead and simply search for TikTok Ads Manager. Now, you want to go ahead and simply land in their official page and then tap on Get Started. After that, you can either log in into your existing TikTok account or create a brand new account if you don't have one. You can go ahead and click on Create Campaign, and when TikTok asks for campaign type, you can select Smart Plus Campaign. This feature uses TikTok's AI automation to help optimize your ads, audience targeting, and placement automatically. Now you can set your campaign budget. You can either choose a daily budget or total campaign budget depending on how much you want to spend. TikTok will then use that budget to automatically optimize your performance for better results. After that, you can refine your targeting settings. This includes things like audience interest, age and gender, behavior, location, and you can even manage your ad placement or simply let TikTok automatically choose the best placement for you. And that's it. You can upload your ad creative. This could be a TikTok video, images, or carousel ad. Make sure that your content is engaging, optimized for vertical viewing, and once everything looks good, you can go ahead and simply tap on Publish button and your smart campaign will go live. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and like